How to set the secure folder log type to pin or password and pattern on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. So after click on Security and Privacy, so scroll down and click on More Security Settings. So after click on More Security Settings, click on Secure Folder. So after click on Secure Folder, you will see if you want to set secure folder pin, password and pattern. So you will see pin, password and pattern is showing here. So if you want to set pin, so click on pin. So if you want to set password, so click on password. So if you want to set pattern, so click on pattern. So after selecting pin, password and pattern, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can set the secure folder log type to pin, password and pattern on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.